Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In last lecture, I teach you about polymorphic function and we see how to create a function which take variable number of input arguments and output arguments. In this lecture, I am going to teach you how to take an input from a user. Same way, a command window take input from a user. You can do this by using input statement. And I am also going to teach you how to fprintf statement. So let's begin. So first I want to take a input from a user. So input, and let's print some string so user know what we are asking from it. So enter and number. So I want a number from user. Now after taking input from user, I have to save it any variable. So let's create one variable, let's say a, and save it. Let's see our function is working or not. So input number, hit enter. So it's asking an input, let's say 6. So value of variable a is 6. So it's taking input from a user. And let's try a few more examples. Let's say this time 9. Okay, it's working. Now I want to take a decision, or I want to check it whether the given number from user is an even number or an odd number. Now after checking it, I have to print a string in command window to tell a user it is an even number or is an odd number, right? You can do this thing by using fprintf statement, and it works same as printf statement in C language. If you ever use C language, then you know it. So if first check it whether the given number is even or odd number. We are going to do it by dividing number by 2. So if its remainder is 0, obviously it is an even number, and if not, then it's odd number. And if you remember, I already one time used this function. It will divide the variable a by 2 and give us a output as a reminder of it. And for you, let's check it one more time. So reminder, there are 6 by 2. So obviously the reminder is 0. So 0. Now let's try 5. So it's 1. Okay. So your number is an even number, and if it's not even number, then obviously it is a odd number. Oops, I got wrong. So is an number. So let's check it out. Our function is working or not. Let's say 6. So it's an even number. Again, let's say 5. So it's odd number. But here, it is my cursor is coming exactly after the string. I want it the next line. You can do it by using escape character, a /n. It will tell a MATLAB to escape from the string and go to next line. Now let's check it out. Let's say file. So it tells us that your number is an even number and go to next line. So by using input statement, you can take input from a user. Now let's play with fprintf statement. You can do lots more things. You can also print out variables. So let's check it how. So let's first create few variables. So let's say a is equal to 6, b is equal to say 9, d is equal to 5 and c is equal to say 4. Okay, f print f the value. So here I want to print the value of 4 variables, say a, b, c and d. So here I use a person sign. It is also one escape character like /n. So it escape for temporary and call of variable a. So here I type a. If I here I type b, I'm going to call a b variable. After that, it come back to the printf statement. Again, second person d. So it's called variable b. Again, third person d. So it's called variable c. And again, a last fourth person d. So it's called variable d. So let's hit enter. You can see that. So value of variable a is 6, b is 9, c is 4 and d is 5. Now if I just change the value of variables, let's call c first, after that b, and let's put a one escape character for next line. Hit enter. So it changed the its way of printing. So it first print a b, it first print a c, after that it print a b, because I type c in arguments. Now here d tell the MATLAB I want to print an integer. I can use %f sign to tell a MATLAB that I want to print float numbers. Now let's print some float number. Let's say is equal to 1.563. Again call it. Now let's see what is the difference between d and f. So first say f, so it print 1.563000. Now again change the f and put d for integer. So here you can see the change between d and f symbol. So wherever your output is in integer, in points, I recommend that you always use f. Now what happens if I skip 1% d symbol and hit enter? Then it go up to 3. Now it have fourth variable, but it doesn't have any percent sign, so it can't escape from the f.f segment. It have to end it here because it doesn't know what to do next. So it's going to choose an easy path and just leave it. So you leave it here, so it doesn't go to next line. So skip the /n. Now let's put it percent sign again and put one more variable, let's say a, and let's see what happens. So first it print 4 statement because it have 4% d sign, but after that it still have one variable to print. So it go to next line and repeat it again, it printed a, but now it has second d but doesn't have contain any variable, so it's not able to print it. So it end it here, and so this time it's not able to go to next line. The question is, what is the use of all this thing, right? So let's show you. F print f, let's say %d. Always remember, first start with commas. I always forgot many times. D and hit enter. Wait a minute. Oops, I forgot one thing. /n. Now hit enter. So just by using single %d sign, it can print 4 variables. You can print more than 4 variables. You can print 5, 10, 20, or as many as you want to. But now question is, there if you notice, there are a few special characters in fprintf statement like percent sign, slash, colons. So what if you want to print these signs in a string? You can do this thing by using type it by 2 times. So for example, fprintf, sorry, say I want to say it's, so put 2 times. Oh, oops, I go right now. So here I put 2 times the colon sign, so it's tell a MATLAB that you have to print a colon sign. And now let's try few others. Slash slash, and print single slash, and this time percent sign. So whenever you want to print some special characters like percent, slash, comma, any character, you do this by using typing 2 times. So in this lecture I teach you how to take input from a user and how to use a fprintf statement. So here we end our session. See you next lecture. Goodbye.